guys, welcome back to our channel. Let's make nutritious food. Today we will prepare a healthy soup with broken wheat. Do like, share and subscribe the video for upcoming healthy recipes in the channel. First of all, take a pan and add half cup of broken wheat and slowly roast it on low flame. It will take around 6 minutes to roast it. Now in a pan, add 2 to 3 spoons of oil. Make sure to add very less oil while preparing weight loss recipes. Now add chopped ginger, add chopped green chilies, sauté. Now add finely chopped onions. Give it a good mix. Add finely chopped carrot. Add finely chopped beans. Mix well. Now add finely chopped tomato. You can add your favorite veggies. Mix everything properly. Now add salt according to your taste. Add little bit of turmeric powder. Add little bit of pepper powder. Mix everything properly. Now add 2 glasses of water. Cover the lid and bring water to a boil. After 5 to 6 minutes, open the lid. Mix everything properly and add the roasted broken wheat into the boiling water. Once again mix everything properly and cover the lid. Cook on medium to low flame. In between check it. Give it a good mix. Now add finely chopped coriander leaves. Mix it properly and cook on low flame for few more minutes. Open the lid. You can add lemon juice for taste. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe the video. Your support matters a lot.